Hello everyone and welcome to MIS Private Limited. My name is Nidhi and today I would like to introduce you a lead follow-up system, a complete CRM solution designed to simplify lead management and improve your sales process. Every business generates leads from a different source, but the real challenge is managing those leads, following up on time, tracking every customer interaction and ensuring that no opportunity is missed. Our lead follow up system is built to solve exactly that. It helps you organize your leads, automate routine, monitor your sales team performance, and give management a complete visibility of the entire sales process. Let me take you through each module of the system. Let's begin with the dashboard, which gives you a complete overview of your business at the moment you log in. At the top of the screen, you will find your key business statistics, including total leads and active lead. And you can see won leads, lost leads, and your pipeline amount and won amount. To make reporting more flexible, we have provided the smart filter. You can view your dashboard based on all source type, product wise, or agent wise. If you need reports to be specific for any period, simply use date filter. You can select today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, this month, last month, or you can choose your own custom date range as well. The dashboard also includes details graphic reports. You will find lead by source, helping you understand where your leads are coming from. The lead funnel shows you every stage and the pipeline along with the value available at the stage. Lead by product charts display product wise performance in percentage. Our source and product heat map helps you identify which lead source are performing best for each product. Now, follow up over time. Reports allow you to monitor follow up activity and conversion trend. You will also see the top sales performance, making it easy to recognize high performing team member. At the bottom of the dashboard, you will find recent tab where newly added lead are displayed along with today's activity, which shows you updates of the calls, follow up, work being performed by your team throughout the day. Everything you need to monitor your business is available on a single screen. Now let's move on to lead list. This is where all your leads are managed. Admin can access every lead within the organization, while individual sales executive only see the lead assigned to them. At the top, you will find a search bar that allow you to search customers using either their name or mobile number. On the right hand side, we have provided quick action button allowing you to instantly view untouched lead, won lead, lost lead, delayed lead, or active lead. Then we have adding a lead is very simple. Just click on add lead and enter the customer's information and simply submit it. Every business has different requirement, which is why we have included hide and show column. You can remove unnecessary column, rearrange them by dragging and dropping, or switch to the grid view for different layout. You can also sort your leads by create date, by next follow up date, or by follow up added date. If you are currently maintaining your leads in Excel, we have given the option for that. You can simply download the sample and import your leads. One of our feature that signify one of our feature which helps you to now we have lead transfer and forward. From the very same page, you can transfer the leads in bulk. You can also filter out your data using these fields. You can simply select any priority and your data will be sorted. Now we have given the action button. From here you can see any lead inside by clicking on this eye icon and you will be able to see the data. Now if you want to check any lead, you can simply click on the lead. This is the new lead added and you will see how the new lead will gonna appear on your screen. From very same page, you can simply WhatsApp the customer, email to the customer. Now let me show you the old lead. One feature that help you to improve your productivity, which is click to dial. Instead of dialing manually, simply click on the customer's number. You will get the pop-up. The moment you will click yes, the number will be dialed automatically in your aligned phone. Now select a lead and open the lead. From here, you can WhatsApp the customer, you can email to the customer, you can update any lead stage, you can add the remark and add the follow-up date, and your complete history will be visible on the page. So, and review the complete call history also from the very same page. From here, you can listen to the recording. With update lead, you can update customers detail and the product if they want to change it. Now let's go back. This ensures every conversation is properly recorded and easily accessible for future follow-up. Now we have click to dial feature. You can simply click the number, and once you will click yes, the number will be dialed in your dedicated device. So no manual work. The lead API module display all the API integrated connected to your CRM, whether your leads are generated through website, IndiaMart, Just Dial, Facebook, or any third application. They are automatically captured and stored in the system. This eliminates manual data entry and ensure every lead reaches the This eliminates manual data entry and ensure every lead reaches the right place immediately. Now we have lead auto. The lead auto module automates lead allocation. Lead can be distributed based on product, lead source, location, or alternate rotation. This ensures fair lead distribution among your sales team, prevent delays in responding to the customer. Now we have a feature lead ad. The lead ad modules allow users to manually create new lead. The lead ad module allows users to manually create new leads. This is especially useful for walk-in customers, reference, exhibition, trades, or any telephonic inquiry. Now we have transfer log. You can see all the transfer logs you have done from your admin account. Then we have follow-up settings. This feature helps you to customize your panel when your user are using it. If they don't require these field to fill while they are making any call or they are submitting any lead, you can simply deselect them and these features will be removed from the panel. Let me show you. Let's say I have updated these features. Now I will go to leads. I'll go to the lead list. Now this is my lead. All the fields are removed which I removed from the settings. Now I will see only the priority and stage and next follow-up date, and I can update my lead from very same page. Now we'll go back to lead follow-up setting. I will toggle back because I will require these features. Now we have source web book. The source web book modules help you manage all your lead source. You can integrate platforms such as IndiaMart, Just Dial, your company's website, Facebook, and many other lead generation channels. Once connected, every new inquiry automatically enter your CRM without any manual efforts. Now we have a lead response. The lead response module stores every response given to your customer. Simply search by customer's name or the phone number or the remark, and you will get the complete communication history. Reports can also filter using custom date range, priority, stage, and you can simply analyze your details. Now we have customer list. Once a lead is successfully converted, it becomes part of your customer list. This module helps you manage all your existing customer, review their purchase history, monitor interaction, and maintain long-term customer relationship. Now we have monthly report. This module provides detailed reports on lead generation, follow-up performance, conversion, team productivity, and business growth for the selected month. These reports help management evaluate performance, identify opportunity for improvement, and make information business decisions. You can also filter your data by lead source wise, state wise, city wise, industry wise, product wise. You can simply click on the lead. The total lead will be appear on your screen. You can simply check not touch leads. You can see follow up. You can see the last month amount won. You can see this data monthly wise. If you want to filter out the data by actual month won leads, just toggle this button. Now you will see the leads won on the exact month. From here also you can filter out the data. These reports help management evaluate performance, identify opportunity for improvement, and make informed business decisions. So this was the complete walkthrough of our lead follow-up system by MIS Private Limited. Our goal is simple: to make lead management easier, improve team productivity, automate daily sales activity, and help your business convert more leads into customer. Thank you for taking your time to watch this demo. If you would like to know more or schedule our demo, please contact our team. We are happy to assist you. Thank you, and we are looking forward to helping your business grow with MIS Private Limited.